Good afternoon. I forgot to close the thing yesterday, but we went to Cheesecake Factory for dinner, which was really nice. And then we saw the Dubai fountain. I got clips of that, so I'm sure I inserted it. Then we came home and we were just so tired. We woke up at 11 this morning, so we missed breakfast. But we're going to Old Dubai, I believe, or like the Gold Souk. I think it's the same place, but if not, we're going to see the gold and stuff. I'm really excited, and then we're gonna come home and get ready because we're going out for dinner, which is exciting. So yeah, we're just getting ready. We're about to leave. Our data's finished. They give you like a SIM card when you arrive, which has 1 gig of free data, but it's only for 24 hours, which is frustrating. So we're buying some more data. And then we're gonna get going. Almost everywhere has Wi-Fi, to be fair, but it's just like that in between places, like when you're on the metro or something, or yeah, and you need data when there's no Wi-Fi. Does this look okay? I'm not sure if I'm still a bit tired or just because we haven't started our day. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this top from Shein. These trousers are from Zara, and my Adidas trainers, because they're like really walkable, which is good. Would you like to say hi? Okay. See you shortly. Hi guys, we're in the Gold. We're in Old Town. We went to the Gold. We looked at gold. It's still a bit too expensive for us. I've been really scared to film, but I found this shop. So let's see what goodies they've got. The door's got me. Yeah, so we're in
without no one calling you.
We're in Old.
They're very clever.
We're in Old Dubai, and I just saw a shop because I want to get like my mum and Francisco's mum a jalaba or an abaya, but they're actually a lot more like money than I thought they'd be. I think they're cheaper to get.
This is how posh people live.
Yeah, I saw them on the other side of the road.
This is how they live their economy.
They're a bit cheaper elsewhere, so we didn't end up getting any. But that thing happened where someone came up to us like, oh, do you want this? And I haggled. I was really proud. I haggled. Look at these. Let's not zoom in. I haggled. He said 100. I said 70. He said, boom. So we followed him. We get to someone else takes us, and he takes us down an alleyway. He gets the key from a mannequin's pocket. Did you see that? Mm-hmm. He got the key from a mannequin's pocket, and then we enter a building. It's dark. He takes us in a lift. I thought, oh Lord. But yeah, we went, we saw, it was literally like Sex and the City 2, if you've seen it.
Where are we going?
To the train station.
Yeah, is it this way?
It's the way we came, I remember. I was haggling. I wasn't haggling actually. I was ready to go because I was fed up. Francisco was haggling. We crossed. Francisco was haggling, and he's a good haggler. I think it's straight that way. Yeah. Oh, was it this way? Look, go to Gold Souk. Gold Souk this way.
That's Gold Souk? No, wait, I'm just looking.
Francisco was haggling, but we didn't end up getting anything. And then we found somewhere to eat. And now we are on the way back to the hotel because we have dinner booked, so I'll show you round. Old Dubai is so hot, by the way, guys. Old Dubai is a lot like back home, like anywhere back home. So yeah.
What stop was that?
Al Ras. It was this one.
Al Ras?
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, high and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
You know, this is stressful.
Hi, welcome, bro.
It's even more stressful for them because they have to deal with people. No, I'm fine, brother. They have to deal with rejections
Yeah.
every day.
Yeah, take picture. Yes, how are you, my friend? Excuse me. What is this, brother?
Oh, no, sorry, brother. I'm allergic, sorry.
Yes, dear, how are you?
Oh, how are you, Black Beauty?
What did he say? What did he say?
He said black beauty, no sugar.
Wow. You know they do that in Turkey?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm fine, sorry.
Hello. It's the best quality backstory. You your backstory.
No, thank you. These men think I don't know about DHgate. I bet,
See, just see. Actually, I want to look where shall come.
Sorry, brother.
I bet shisha pipes are expensive.
Take a picture, brother.
Maybe I should take a picture.
Huh? Yeah, because that's how they get you, isn't it?
Yeah, but why would I buy spicy?
Spices. People come to buy spices.
No, but I don't. I don't eat spicy food.
How are you, my friend? Want some nice?
Fine, sorry. Ooh. Wow.
I tried to film that, but do you see how intense it is? Like literally all.
If you feel unimportant, if you feel unimportant,
Come to Dubai.
Just come
Habibi, come. Someone said black beauty, no sugar. If I slap,
brown sugar.
he said black beauty, no sugar.
Brown sugar.
Brown
that's what he said.
sugar.
You know, if you walk there, you get the attention you need.
If you're feeling insecure,
All those attention seekers, this is the place they need to come.
it's actually a lot. Like it's a lot. And the thing is, you feel like you can't go into any because if you go into one shop, all the other shops will feel like, okay, they've gone into that shop. Let me get them.
Wow. I think we should come.
Look, I'm sweating. What was that?
Water.
Oh, that's brand soup.
Okay, the water is here, right?
Yeah. I think it's that way. We keep going straight.
No, because what this is showing me is not going straight. Look. We can go away.
Bloody hell.
You're buying perfume, no?
I'm buying perfume.
Yeah, he said you need perfume or whatever. Oil perfume for oil, whatever.
Yeah.
Where?
Duty free.
Oh, duty free.
Because I
not
want
here.
a normal one, like that we can take home.
We can take this home, no?
No, a small oil.
No?
Under 100 mil.
Yeah.
Like I'd just rather get a full size one.
Got destroyed.
Look where we are now, okay?
No, we can carry on.
I think one of the hotels that was an option was in Dira, so in this area.
Was here?
In this area.
But
Like this town.
that's the way it's okay.
I think it's somewhere there, no?
Yeah. Just carry on going this way.
It's not telling you like from the location you are now.
No, it's here.
No, but where this line?
No, we're not following this line. We're just going around. We came straight instead of going that way. Now we're going all the way.
And then we turn.
Let's turn now.
We've made it to the train station. It's so good coming to the train station and the aircon. That's it's like a godsend. So this is Al Khas train station, metro station. Oh, do you need a mask?
رجاء الانتباه القطار المتجه إلى اتصالات سيصل إلى الرصيف رقم 1.
Your attention please. The train to Etisalat will arrive at platform 1.
Doors opening. الأبواب تفتح. 2 trains إلى القطار.
People here don't
3 minutes.
three.
Yeah.
People here don't say fucking thank you.
To the lift.
I kept the door open for him.
Oh.
Just look like nothing happened.
So what did you think of old Dubai?
It's rough.
It's rough.
Yeah.
It's not that it's rough, it's just less modern. Like it's neglected.
It's not neglected.
Yeah.
I think they kept it for a reason.
Okay.
They kept it for a reason because you can't make everything
Modern glass.
modern. Yeah. Because there will always be people that are below. Those people are the one that travel from abroad to come here. They're not gonna come with everything. They're gonna come with a little bit, and then they need to start from somewhere. That's the beginning. And then they live from there. Maybe not them. Their kids are gonna live from there, and then move to the modern Dubai.
But if you come to Dubai, I would say come to old Dubai for
Yeah.
sure. Just be strong. But it was good. I'm glad we came to like look. It's very
Rough.
okay. It's very rough. It's very different to like Dubai Mall and like that side of Dubai. So yeah, now we're waiting for the metro. The metro is really like easy to navigate, I think, as a tourist because there's not that much going on.
Your attention please. The train to Creek will arrive at platform 2.
That's us.
The next day.
Hi guys. Day 3. Yeah, day 3 in Dubai. And we went to a club. I'll insert some clips here. We went to a club and it was good. It was okay. It's a bit like Revolution in the UK. It was nice. Like the markup on alcohol is so much here. Like I paid £12 for a copper bar.
Cut the cameras.
Dead. What's the meaning? But yeah, we're going to the beach. We're going to JBR beach. We're getting the metro there. Today is just a chill day. That's that. We're about to leave. We were still so generally tired. So it's 1:35 today. So a bit of a later start, but because it's a beach day, we wanted to miss the heat. That doesn't even make sense. So yes, let's go. Here's the view again in case you forgot what it looks like.
Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my.
Are you excited for the beach?
Yes.
I too am excited. So exciting.
Very excited.
Can you get a map? Can you get a map?
Map, I got map.
No, so I can fan myself.
What do you mean?
Fan myself.
Oh,
Oh. Don't go anywhere. Okay, that one. Look at the camera.
what happened?
Oh, I thought it was the lens. Has it steamed up?
It's the lens. It is the lens. Just clean it.
Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot. Tell him, just on conduct, on my mama, made a promise, Junior.
1 hour later.
Oh, I'm sweating.
We're at the beach. It's really hot. The beach is so far from our hotel. But we're at the beach. It's really nice, sandy. We're just sat on the floor instead of getting a beach towel. It's still so hot. What time is it? What time is it?
What time is it? 4.
It's 4 o'clock and it's still scorching. We went to McDonald's. Yeah, this is the beach. There's lots of water sports and stuff.
Yeah, when we film this, that's when they're gonna clash. Oh, they didn't.
we just got out the water, and the water is so warm. Brighton could never, and it's really clear. This is like sweat. Has my makeup stayed? I don't know. The annoying thing about sandy beaches is the sand gets everywhere.
What?
Sand gets everywhere.
That's what you were saying?
Yeah.
I couldn't hear you.
We're still here. I'm not sure what we're doing for dinner, but it's dark now, everything is lit up. We're gonna start heading home soon. It's 7:15. So today might be the early night we've been waiting for. Francisco's gone back in there. You can't see him. Francisco's gone back in there for a swim. So we'll see. We're back now. It's 11:21. We're watching a film on Netflix called End of the Road. Just gonna have a chill one. Frisco has some KFC that we got. And yeah, tomorrow is our desert safari day. They're picking us up at 3, I think. So we're just gonna chill by the pool in the morning and then do the desert safari. So good night for now. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye.
We took